Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to our channel, Shri Rawatpura Sarkar Sansthan Expert Series Lecture. Myself, Divya Pandey, working as Assistant Professor in Shri Rawatpura Sarkar Sansthan. Shri Rawatpura Sarkar Sansthan offer various courses like B Pharma, D Pharma, DLEd, B.Ed, and is located at Unnao Balaji Road and has its own class in the Bundelkhand region. So, without wasting much time, let's move to our topic, medicinal chemistry, cholinergic neurotransmitters, cholinergic receptors, their distribution. I'm going to discuss all these topics with you in this video. Let's have a look. Cholinergic neurotransmitter. What are cholinergic neurotransmitter? Basically, they are the substance which is related to neurotransmitter acetylcholine. This neurotransmitter plays a key role in functioning of parasympathetic nervous system and other aspects of nervous system. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter जो कि कोलिनर्जिक न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है और ये हमारे पैरासिम्पथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम की फंक्शनिंग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. अब न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर क्या होते हैं? न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स आर द ग्रुप ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस जो हमारे न्यूरॉन्स से रिलीज होते हैं और ये हमारे न्यूरॉन्स और मसल ग्लैंड सेल्स की फंक्शनिंग को रेगुलेट करते हैं और इम्पल्सेस को वन सेल से दूसरे सेल में ट्रांसफर करते हैं थ्रू आउट द नर्वस सिस्टम. सो न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर आर द ग्रुप ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस released by neurons to stimulate other neurons or muscle gland cells, thus allowing impulses to be passed from one cell to next throughout the nervous system. Now, classification of cholinergic receptors. Cholinergic receptors are mainly classified into two, nicotinic and muscarinic. We have various sub-branches in nicotinic receptors and muscarinic receptor, but mainly acetylcholine neurotransmitter acts on nicotinic and muscarinic. When acetylcholine is given in high dose, then it acts on nicotinic receptors, and when acetylcholine is given in low dose, then it acts on muscarinic receptor. Nicotinic receptor is stimulated by nicotine, whereas muscarinic receptor is stimulated by muscarine. Nicotines are the inotropic receptors and are fast acting, whereas muscarinic are G protein coupled receptors and are slow acting. Now, how nicotinic receptors are classified? Basically, there are three types of nicotinic receptors. NN, it is also known as neuronal nicotinic receptors. NG, it is also known as ganglionic nicotinic receptors. And third, NM, it is also known as muscular nicotinic receptor. Neuronal receptor NN is present in central nervous system or adrenal medulla and is basically responsible for excitation. Excitatory activity show करती है हमारी न्यूरोनल निकोटिनिक एक्टिविटी रिसेप्टर्स और ये हमारे सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को एक्साइट करने का काम करती है और एड्रेनालिन हार्मोन के रिलीज की फंक्शनिंग को रेगुलेट करते हैं न्यूरोनल निकोटिनिक रिसेप्टर्स और ये सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम में ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं. दूसरे हमारे गैंग्लियोनिक रिसेप्टर एनजी, ये हमारे ऑटोनॉमिक गैंग्लिया में प्रेजेंट होते हैं और गैंग्लियोनिक ट्रांसमिशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. तीसरे हमारे मस्कुलर रिसेप्टर एनएम, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन स्केलेटल मसल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ स्केलेटल मसल्स. नाउ मस्करेनिक रिसेप्टर्स, they are of 5 types: M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. Now they are divided into two groups, odd and even. As we know, M1, M3 and M5 are odd receptors. So they are coupled with GQ type of receptors, GQ type of G protein coupled receptors, and the odd receptors show excitatory effect. When these receptors coupled with GQ type of G receptors, they also coupled with inosine triphosphate, so they produce excitatory activity. Whereas our even receptors like M2 and M4, they are coupled with GI type of G protein coupled receptors and they are responsible for inhibitory activity as they are coupled with decrease in cyclic AMP. So they causes inhibitory actions. Let's take a look at distribution of these muscarinic receptors. So M1 receptors, they are also known as neural receptors and they are present in CNS, responsible for excitation. They are responsible for excitatory activity. Gastric parietal cell responsible for gastric secretion. When M1 receptors are present in gastric parietal cell, so they are responsible for regulation of gastric secretion. Whereas when they are present in salivary glands, so they are responsible for salivary secretion. Next we have M2 receptors. They are also known as cardiac receptors. They are mainly present in heart. So they show inhibitory effect and decrease the cardiac activity. Third, we have M3 glandular type smooth muscle receptor. They are present in glands and smooth muscles. Then they are responsible for the secretions of like rhymal gland, sweat gland, bronchial gland and gastric gland. And in case of smooth muscles, they are responsible for contraction of smooth muscles which are present in bronchioles, eye, gastric intestinal smooth muscles, bladder, etc. M4 and M5 receptors, they are present in our central nervous system. Their functioning are still not very clear. So, M1 receptors, they are present in central nervous system, parietal cells, salivary glands, and they causes central nervous system excitation. Increases gastric acid secretions and salivary acid secretion. Being a odd muscarinic receptor, they all are coupled with GQ type of G protein coupled receptor and responsible for excitatory activity. That is why M1 receptor causes CNS excitation and increases the gastric acid secretion along with salivary secretion. M2 receptors, as it is an even receptor, so they causes inhibitory action. Basically, they are present in heart and shows inhibitory action, where rate of force of contraction shows as inhibitory action. Next, M3 receptor, they are present in smooth muscle cell. It is also an odd receptor. So definitely it will also cause excitatory action because they bind with G receptor, G protein coupled receptor, bind with inosine triphosphate and causes excitation. So they are responsible for smooth muscle contraction and they show excitatory activity. With this, I would like to end my session. If you liked my video and want more such informative video, so please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a good day.